but a nap. I took a big nap. So rather than like the melon part, the melon is fine. I think so now. Wait. Why are there two cars? Let me just go check it out. I'm tired. I wish to go home. Peaceful. And nothing happened. Like just peaceful day. I better get home and barricade it. I don't know what's going on. What is Run! I don't know what to do. No. It keeps following me. I don't know what to do. Run as fast as I can. Well, I could just go down, so can lose. I have to fight back. Just like with that weird banana normally that's the table, right? No, not a grenade that might explode and hurt me. Yeah, that's the place for me. Get out of here! Get out! But the answer is like, get out! If I'm get out of here! Get out! Get out! Get out! I will kill you if you keep following me. No, finally, there's shelter. I could finally open the door. Alright, finally unlock it. Close it. No, not right there. Yes, right there. I don't know. Alright. I think I have to go and make a run for it. I'll make a run. No! I saw it. Run! I think I have to fight by... No, I cannot use a bat. What do I have to do? No! It's there! Get away from me! Get away! Stop it! Run. I need to speak quickly. That's a perfect lead. Run! It doesn't come back again. No! Get right! I can't take it anymore. Yes, running. No. Run as fast as I can. I hope I don't die. No. I fell. Run. I need to run. Wake up, you stupid body. Run. Oh, why am I so weak? I saw it right there coming down. Run. Oh, why can't I get out? Who's there?